My name is Olivia Hood. This year I will be working in the Grandview Heights Middle School in 8th grade ELA. Today I will be taking you on a journey through the Frayser community so that you can get to know the community and its resources a little better. This will be important as you live in Frayser and work in Frayser so that you can be a part of the community more than just being in the schools. The first stop on our journey is the Frayser CDC. CDC stands for Community Development Corporation. This particular CDC was started in January of 2000 with its mission being that they will revitalize the community of Frayser. They do this by taking houses that have fallen into disrepair, buying them, redoing them, and selling them to families who need them, usually at cost to themselves. They're not here to turn a profit, they're here to help the community. They also seek out opportunities for financial support for the members of the community. The whole goal of this is that the people of Frayser would feel ownership of the Frayser community because this is such a huge issue in the community. On the next page, you will get to watch a video showing a house that we got to take part in cleaning up for the Frayser CDC.
In hard.
Too bad. I think the TV works. It should be software. Oh, yeah.
The next stop on our journey is yet another organization dedicated to giving the children and families in the Frayser community healthy homes. Started in 1970, Agape seeks to serve children, families, and communities by sharing God's love throughout the Mid-South. In Frayser, Lori Humber seeks to go out to the schools, volunteering and offering her own services to the parents and children of the schools. On the next slide, you will see photos and videos of an Agape-run summer camp that we got to participate in as we took part in the community of Frayser. This summer camp integrates academics, Bible verses, and some solid playtime for a good time for these kids. They are also fed and have a safe place to go. Innovation Church is another good resource in Frayser, especially the In Zone, Innovation Church's student ministry run by Pastor Keno. This would be a good resource for my students as they would seek to find a good community to fellowship in with a God-centered leader. Pursuit of God Church is yet another church that has been planted in the Frayser community. Similar to Innovation Church, Pursuit of God was extremely welcoming when we went to visit. Pursuit of God also holds the Agape Summer Club that we got to take part in. It is an open and welcoming community that seeks to make the community of Frayser a little bit better and God-centered. The last stop on our journey is the Ed Rice Community Center. When we asked the panelists where they felt the center of Frayser was, they all agreed this was the center of Frayser. This is where all the Frayser community members go to unwind, to spend time together, and to fellowship. They said that it's kind of like a safe haven. Everyone who comes here knows that they will be safe when they get here. Overall, Frayser is a wonderful community, and these resources would be very helpful to any teacher who is seeking to step into the community of Frayser and really make an impact. To make an impact, you have to know the community, and to know the community, you need connections and resources to really plug in. I think that these resources would help a teacher coming into the schools and would help to make those connections. On the next slide, you will see a video of a group of people who are describing Frayser in one word. Thank you for joining me on this journey. I hope it helped you get to know Frayser a little better.
Frayser is progress.
Frayser is future.
Frayser is authentic.
Frayser is hope.
Frayser is change.
Frayser is proud.
Frayser is resilient.